In this video, I will tell you how to fix character AI age verification not working. So for that, first of all check your Wi-Fi connection, make sure that it's stable and it's working properly. Secondly, you can simply go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for character AI. After that, here check if there is any updates available. If there is, then simply update your app. Then you can go to your app icon, click and hold on to it. Then click on App Info. From here, click on Force Stop, then confirm it. Then go to Storage Uses. Here, click on Clear Cache. After that, you can simply open up Character AI. Click on your profile in the bottom right corner. Click on the setting gear. And if you are unable to find the feature, then click on Advanced. And here you will find this age verification page. If you click on it, you will be redirected to this live selfie prompt. You can simply click on Get Started, show all the angles, and your age verification will be completed. And if it's still not working, then you can simply go to Chrome. In the search bar, search for Character AI. From here, log into your account, then find the same age verification page again. Then from there, you can simply verify your age. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.